I am a bit lazy today, so I'm just going to record on my iPhone. And it's raining and wet in Hong Kong, so you get to see some dreamy looking footage from the tram on our way home from Shangwan to Causeway Bay. Alright, enjoy. And one thing, I might speed up the footage if it looks a bit boring. I might play around with that in the final cut. Okay, that's my video for today. Enjoy! Oh, actually I might try out the time-lapse mode on this thing. I've never really tried that before on the iPhone. Let's see how that goes.